Okay, so we were using this as our extra bedroom, guest bedroom. Now that both of our boys are in one room, we have an extra bedroom upstairs, and we can turn this area into what we want. So over here, we have an area set up and ready to go to record our podcast, or I can record voiceovers for videos. Here, everything's all set up. Just have to plug the laptop into the mixing board and go. This is a lot easier. Before, we had to take all of the microphones and mixing board and everything and move it out to the kitchen table when we wanted to record for a podcast. Now we can just come in here, sit down and go. Make it easier to get them done more often.
Bye-bye.
Also, I can record some music over here. I have my guitar set up and ready if I want to record. And then an area over here for my wife to film her videos and for me to edit my videos. Then a little TV area if we want an extra quiet area to watch some TV or read a book or something. So that was kind of the first project I ever did that kind of started me on this path. And it's going to need, the shield boss there is going to need touched up. And then I want to do some kind of design on it, and that will go back up there when that's finished. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. The liver came out pretty good. The one thing that we noticed is don't use an IPA. Way too bitter. I'd use like a PBR or like a Budweiser, not Bud Light, Budweiser. I think that would give a better flavor. The bitterness from the IPA kind of threw everything off, but I mean, it was all right. And then the other thing is I would do 3 minutes aside when frying the venison instead of 4 minutes like I did. It just got a little chewy, but not bad overall. Great meal, easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.